Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to install the Canon PIXMA MG2522 driver on your Windows PC. First, go to the Canon website, link in description. Navigate to Support, Software and Drivers, Printers, PIXMA MG series, MG2522. Next, select your Windows version, Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7, and make sure the download type is Drivers. Full driver and software package. Click Download and wait for it to finish. Once downloaded, run the .exe file. Click Yes to allow. Select your preferred language, and click Next. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. After installation, make sure your printer is turned on. Then connect it to your PC. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. You can choose to install all components if you want full functionality. Finally, once everything is done, your Canon PIXMA MG2522 printer is ready to use. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.